Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a very important part of keto, which is a leafy vegetable. It's very important that we get in our regular supply of leafy vegetables into our system. Leafy vegetables help us get all the minerals, and they are the most nutrient dense vegetable or food that we can eat. For the least number of carbs and calories, you get the most vitamins. So it's advised that each person eats at least 5 to 6 cups of leafy vegetable every day. This is uncooked. So once it's cooked down, it becomes much lesser. So it's easier to eat that much. I've been wanting to make this recipe for a long time. It's a typical Maharashtrian way of cooking any kind of leafy vegetable. There are a few variations. So let's go ahead and see how I make it today. So I have 1.5 tablespoon of coconut oil heating here. To this I am going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm also going to add a pinch of hing or asafoetida. So once the mustard seeds start spluttering, which is very important, if you add any other ingredient before that happens, then your seeds are going to taste bitter. So I'm going to add some onions. So this is about little over half a cup, probably 3/4 cup. The more onions you add, the tastier the vegetables taste, especially the leafy greens. Leafy greens tend to be a little bitter, so if you add onions, a lot of onions, which is what is done normally, it offsets the bitter taste. But since we are on keto, we are not going to add too much. Leafy greens are not generally cooked with red chili powder. We put green chilies. So here I'm adding chili paste. A lot of time people add cut pieces of chili. Yesterday I used up all my chilies in making the paste, so I'm just adding the paste here. Also adding a teaspoon of garlic. You can add chopped garlic or garlic paste. I'm adding garlic paste here. At this point you can also add tomatoes if you want. I'm not going to add tomatoes. I'm adding some coriander leaves. Here I have the amaranthus leaves. These are green ones. There are two types, red and green. I'm making the green ones today. I'm adding some coconut. I use frozen coconut, and that's the reason I add it at this point. If you're using fresh coconut, you can add it at the last minute because that's when it's added. You don't really want to cook the coconut too much. Leafy vegetables don't take too long to cook, so you can add the coconut at this point. It's just going to wilt very quickly. So I'm roughly chopping the leafies into the pot. I'm just putting a lid on top while I chop the others, and you will see that in no time the whole vegetable will wilt. So I just opened the lid. Scraped coconut can be easily found in Indian grocery stores, and I think you can find it in normal stores also now in the frozen section. If not, then you can just use the desiccated coconut. Give it a good mix, and then we're going to add some turmeric and salt. The reason I didn't add the salt in the beginning is because the leafy greens cook down so much that sometimes you might just end up adding some extra salt. Turmeric, half a teaspoon, and some salt, a little less than half a teaspoon, and I'm going to let this dry out. If you like, you can add roasted peanut powder to this. If you don't have coconut, that's another recipe, that's another way to make it. So I'm going to let this dry a little bit more and plate it and then give it a try. So it's time to taste. Let me give it a quick bite. It's really good. So frankly guys, greens are an important part of any healthy diet. It's the easiest and the most low calorie and a low carb option to getting in all the vitamins and minerals that you require. So give this recipe a try. I'm sure you'll start liking it. At my house, we make this on a regular basis. We make it with one kind of green or the other, so any green goes well with this recipe. It's a simple Indian recipe. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I wait for your comments, so please comment under the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.